Miss Janie. And my unicorn here. That's not talking. Ha.
Hi.
Oh, no, she says hi. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Say Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
Yay. So, hi. Somebody just logged on. I can't see who it is. But somebody's there. Yay. Hi, E. Hi, Abby. Happy New Year. Okay, so, in case, you didn't know, I put a poll on recently. Hi, Kim. Hi, Sinai. I put a poll on my Facebook page asking if I should keep the name Pinterest Pimp or change it to Pinterest PI. So the vote came down and it looks like we are now the Pinterest PI. Yay! Anyway, let's see. What are we going to do today? It's a new year, so we want to do something fun. It's Friday, so we have to do something fun, something fast. And let's see what that is now. So the very first Pinterest PI, we are presenting you with the Magic 8 Ball. Yes, that's right, DIY. You can make it yourself. A Magic 8 Ball. I can't come back. Oh, there it is. All right, let's see what we need. I have some leftover ornaments. These little half shells here.
Capsule.
So we're going to use that. And if you have bigger ones, that's great. If you have a jar or a baby food jar, any kind of jar that has a lid that you can turn, that would work great. I have a styrofoam plate because my little ball is so small. I'm just going to make a two-dimensional yes or no answer in there. I have some glue gun to seal the edge at the end. Can you get me a cup of water, please, my super duper helper? Thank you.
Just a full cup?
Yes, a full cup of water, please. Or put it in a bowl, please.
Which bowl?
Any bowl. A big bowl that is big enough for me to put my bubbles in. And I have a bunch of markers. Make sure they are permanent markers so you can write on the styrofoam. And I just have a little bit of tape. Hi, Jackie. Hi, Julia. Hi, Emily. And then I got some tape to protect my writing just in case so that it does not smudge. So first things first, I'm going to cut my styrofoam plate. And I really need just a little teeny tiny bit, but I'm just going to go into the middle. In the Magic 8 Ball, I think it's a little triangle, so let's try for a little triangle.
Daddy helps me.
Daddy helped?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Here's my bowl of water. Don't spill it. Alright, so here's my little triangle. Let me just see if it's big, small enough to go in here. Let's make it a tiny bit smaller, just in case. So I'm gonna cut that one. Alright.
Tiny bit.
So there is our little triangle. I'm going to take my permanent marker. Let's see what color should we pick. I got no.
So I
Let's
need
see.
water.
Because Magic 8 Ball is filled with water, right?
Really?
Yes.
I'll keep it.
Green, orange, pink, blue, black. Which color should I use?
Black.
We gotta wait for them to answer. Maybe black for yes? Red for no? Alright. I guess I'll go with that. I'm gonna take my black. And on this little tiny thing. Here, let me see if you can see it. Here, Alyssa, can you... Here, you write yes on this one. Really, really small, okay? Let's see if they can see. Can you guys see that?
It's really, really small. So.
Try to make it fit the triangle. Here, do N for no. I mean red for no. Oh. Oh no. Oh, I thought I lost you guys. Okay. So there's a nice big red no.
No,
right.
I got it on me.
That's why I made her do it. Alright. So let's see. Very carefully pick it up. I got a red no on this side and a
My
black
no is small.
yes.
My no is bigger than my yes.
It's okay. I don't want that piece.
I'll put it here.
I don't want this extra piece. Alright, so I got a little bit of tape just so for extra protection on my little answer thing here. Kind of rolled it around. Alright, so I'm going to put this in here.
Fill it with water, I think.
Yes. And here.
But isn't
All
it
right.
supposed to be black?
And you gotta wait. Okay, so here's my bowl of water. And I'm going to put this down into the water and close it there so that way there's no bubble. Oh, look, my little floaty answer is floating away. I'll put it in. Let me try to do it. Let me try to capture it.
Can I try, Mommy? Can I try?
Right. I got it.
Aww.
Alright. So I close up my, make sure it's nice and tight.
Like,
And there, so when we shake it, oh wait, it's not flipping around. Maybe I do need some bubble in there so it can help it flip. So let me let some water go.
Whoa.
Alright, I just want a little bit of bubble in there. Alright. So if you can see, there's just a little bit of bubble in there. So it's not filled all the way. And now we can shake it. And you get a no. Then let's shake it again and let's see. You got a yes! Yay! So now I'm going to seal the edge with my glue gun.
That's so cool. You're splashing all over me.
I'm splashing all over you. Alright, so here's my big giant glue gun today. I'm just going to seal the edge. I hear the water burning off.
I see the smoke.
You see smoke?
Yeah.
So hopefully this will not leak. I'll let you know in about a week if it leaks or not. Alright. And then Magic 8 balls only have a little hole in it, right?
Yeah.
And the rest of it is covered up. So we're going to cover up our Magic 8 ball. Can you get me a tissue or a napkin or something so I can dry this up?
But Mom, what if it sometimes never gets in the right hole?
Huh?
What if the yes or no thing never gets in the right hole? Like it goes somewhere like across from the hole.
So I'm going to dry it up. Ah, my paper is stuck. That's alright. We'll cover it up. So I have Magic 8 ball calls for Magic Unicorn. I have some unicorn washi tape. So I'm going to cover up the whole ball except for a little peep.
Triangle?
A little circle on one side, right?
No.
So that's where you see the answers.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna roll it around.
But there's like air bubbles.
It's okay. You want everything. Let me cover this end with a unicorn.
Another unicorn.
And then maybe use a nice thin one. It says, magical unicorn, believe.
Unicorn.
So I'm going to tape this here in a nice little circle. I saw on YouTube one person used, if you have a bigger ball, you can use a balloon. Or somebody used paint. I guess you can paint it as well.
I thought we were gonna paint it black.
Nah, I thought this was cuter. Alright, so now, ta-da! We have our magical unicorn ball here. And there's our window for the answer. And we're going to shake this up. Do you guys like this project? And let's see. The answer says...
Yes!
Yes! Yay! So go ahead, give it a try. That was really fun to do. So now, when you're not sure if you should or not, yes or no, ask the magical unicorn ball, and it says... No. Wah, wah, wah. Can't always get the answer you want. Alright, so give it a try. This is small enough that you can actually put it on a keychain or something, but I wouldn't recommend it until we know for sure that it's not going to leak. Okay, so have fun. See you next week. And stay warm in the cold outside. Okay, be safe. Mwah. Love you guys.
Bye.